Hey there, welcome back friends. Today we will try to understand the formatting options. Now friends, in here if we check, we have this program where we are formatting the date. Now friends, the formatting options are very usual and easy to use things. So we will try to cover this part as soon as possible. We will try to quickly wrap up this topic. Alright, so in here first of all we are taking the date using the java.util.date method, and the information would be saved inside this variable date. And once we get this information, definitely we can output this information using this particular expression element. Alright, now moving forward, for example, we would like to extract the time only from this variable. Then again we can do that. We need to make use of this format date tag, and we will give the type as time, and our work would be done. Value will be definitely our variable date. Likewise, if we would like to extract the date only, then again it is possible. We will simply give the type as date and we will give the value as the date element. Now friends, when it comes to this variable contains the date and time, both of the values. Now if we would like to display date and time, both of them, then definitely we can give the type as both and value as date, or we can also directly print this. Again, that is possible. But when we are making use of this what we say format date option, we have a couple of more options. For example, we can give the time zone. That is a good thing. And we can also set the locale, and if we set the locale, based on the locale the date will be formatted. So that's an interesting thing, because in different countries the format differs a little. So that's one thing very interesting. Now let me save the changes and quickly show you the output of this program. This will take some time in order to display the output. Tomcat was stopped, so it will start up and take a couple of seconds. Let me pause this video for a couple of seconds. And here is the output. Definitely we can easily make out that the default variable contains quite a few information like the day, month, time, then time zone, year, right? And if we extract time only, we have the time. If we extract date, then we can extract date. Likewise, if we would like to extract both, then again it is possible. And if we change the time zone, the time is converted accordingly, which is amazing. And finally, we can also change the locale, and again the format will change a little. So everything is in front of us. This particular demo.jsp file, this project file would be available to you. You can definitely experiment more about these formatting options, and moreover a document will be also made available to you. Likewise, we can also format numbers. Let me close these two tabs and let me open up yet another file. So in here we are formatting a number. Here we have a large number where we have some big number before the decimal point, and after the decimal point again we have couple of digits. Now in here, if we directly print this information, definitely we will be able to see the exact number. But now if we set the max integer digit value as 3 maybe, then definitely some changes would be made. Likewise, we can also set some max fraction digits, and we can also convert the number to currency. Now all of these things would be easily viewable on the output. Let me show you the output. And here is the output. Definitely this first line symbolizes the original number, and if we check demo.jsp file, then definitely we have set the max integer digit to be 3. As a result, only the 3 digits before our decimal point and after the decimal point are allowed. As a result, rest of the number has been truncated. Now moving forward, if we again check the max fraction digit, again the max fraction digit is set to 3. As a result, again there are only 3 digits after the decimal point. Likewise, if we try to convert the number into currency based on our locale, the current locale is Indian Standard Time. As a result, the currency of India is rupees, So the number has been converted as a rupees currency and it is displayed in a proper format. Likewise, if we update the locale and we set the locale to EN_US, then definitely the output will be converted into a dollar notation, and again the changes would be made accordingly. Alright, so these are like couple of formatting options which are available to us. Definitely I will be making available a document on the formatting options which are available that can again help you out. Alright, so these are like a couple of formatting options, and you can Google more about the formatting option if you like. So these were a couple of things, and I tried to wrap up this video ASAP because these are like very usual and normal things. Alright, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and again the project files would be available, so do try to experiment and check these things. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.